Hi, it's Sean. I'm back in a Quebec park this time, and as you can see, it still rolls nicely along the pavement. I'm going to try the ramps. Oh, we'll try from this angle, see if it rolls nicely, or if the ramp is too steep to allow that to happen. There we go. There you go. It's even turning a bit. Okay, let's go for the next one. There we go. There we go. Hello. Oh, careful. That's okay. There. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
There you go.
Hello.
Pas touché, s'il vous plaît. Pas touché. Restez. Merci. Yeah, voir ici. Ah, the other ramp. There we go. Okay. Final ramp. Here we go. There we go. Rolls well. Okay. Now we'll try, I see a slide, so I'll be back. Oh, I see the other slide. It's time to tie it to the phone carrier. We'll try the video down the slide now and see if we can get it to work and if it stays upright. See you at the bottom. Well, it worked, but it kind of slid sideways. So I'm going to try that again. Alright, this time I'm going to be at the bottom waiting for it. Wow! It stayed upright. Even did a wheelie. That's good. Got to see the screen to press pause. There we go. These ramps just aren't steep enough. Okay, I found a much more curving slide. So we will see how the phone does on it. Just adjusting the elastic band slightly. Alright. See you at the bottom. Don't worry, phone's just as durable as it was in Ontario. Well, it landed sideways anyway. One more short slide to try. And I'll be waiting for it at the bottom. Whoops. That didn't quite work. Let's try that again. Just keeps turning sideways, so straight slides are where it's at. But you have a partition. Let's see how this works. There we go. That worked. Okay, here we go again. Oops. Straighten it out. Try again. There. And you can see the park. Oh. Wait a minute, there's something in front of the camera. Alright, move it slightly. Let's try that. I'm gonna look through again. Ah, that looks good. There you go. Now you can see the entire park. Alright. And you can see my car over there. So that's all for now, unless I find another park en route to the hobby shop. Talk to you later.